care. Alright guys, I'm going to be talking about the Alka-Seltzer lab, which is a lab we've done science. So, to start off with the lab, we actually had to drink 3/4 of the water bottle. And this is, I guess you could say, the water bottle right here. Alright, after we drank 3/4 of the water bottle, we had to get a bottle of oil from the counter, which is over there. And we had to pour the oil into the water bottle, and this is the oil right here, with this funnel right there. And then after we filled the water bottle up with oil, we actually had to add some red food coloring, which is right there. This used to be actually clear water, like kind of clear like that bottle, but after we had the food coloring, it went there. The reason why it didn't go through the oil is because the water had like the bigger density and the oil kind of suspended over the water. So some observations that I noticed was that the plastic water bottle, it was a plastic water bottle, it was transparent, it was malleable, the oil was translucent, the food coloring is also translucent. Some physical properties was, after we put the red food coloring and it turned red, it was really bubbly, it was kind of like gassy. Some physical changes was when adding food coloring, it went through the oil and changed over the changed color to red, and the water used to be clear, like I said before. There was no really physical change for the oil, but once you put the food coloring in, it became a homogeneous mixture. It's not easy to separate. The water is more dense because the oil passes through it. So the chemical formula of water is actually, you cannot see that very well. It's right here, H2O. So that would be, there are two hydrogen, and one oxygen. So just be O. There would not be a number here or anything, because that means 1, but since there are 2 heliums, it would be helium, 2 oxygen. And for the chemical formula of oil, it would be C, but there's not more than 1, so it would just be 1. So CN, H, capital means it's a new element. 2, because there's 2 heliums. Then there would be nitrogen, and there would be a +2 for the oil. Put equal sign so I could make sure and show you guys that that's that. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. My name is Sam. See you later. So to add on for what I was saying before, some pure substances is any form of matter with a definite chemical composition and distinct property. So this is another video which kind of like shows the reaction, what I was talking about before, how when you put the food coloring it was all like bubbly, and it kind of just like went through the oil, but like for some reason you could tell that the oil is not changing color even though it's bubbling up to the oil. So the mix, it was kind of like a mixture. It wasn't very easy to separate, like I said before. So like I said, the water turned red. It was really bubbly, as you can see right now. It was, I mean, you can't really tell from this video, but it was like very gassy. So let's go on to the next slide. I don't have that much to explain in this.
I don't even have a 10.
It's just kind of like it's showing you what the color looked like. And Jack here is trying to show off his new phone that he got. Let's go on to the next slide because this actually has something to do with the video. So, when you add the Alka-Seltzer tablets, it makes a chemical change, a new substance is formed, and a physical change, a appearance has changed color of the water. So what I kind of mean by that is this here, this let me play the video.
Not just one piece, the whole piece. It says.
Okay, wait, never mind. That's not the video. Sorry. All right, this is our video.
Oh my god. Okay, no, don't go yet. Don't go yet. I'm all zoomed in.
So this is a video just kind of like showing the drops of the food coloring. Then we got the video which kind of shows how it goes through the oil and kind of just changes colors of the water. And this is kind of just a video of how it changes throughout time. You see, this is where the water is, or that's where the food coloring is, and it isn't going to the oil. It's actually dropping down to the water, which is just like. And yep, that's my video. All right. Well.